And it's time for our meteorology segment. We'll be talking about some features we haven't featured before on the channel, starting out with the wave height. And if you'd like to go sailing on some stormy seas, you got to be in the Southern Ocean here, south of Africa, as we've got some 27.5-foot waves noted in that portion of planet Earth. If you want to bring this up yourself, this is ocean waves, significant wave height on nullschool.net. And we're just going to show the jet streams here. Pretty chaotic jet streams over the southern hemisphere. And you can see a powerful anticyclone here with this counterclockwise rotation over the Antarctic continent. And let's show the standard views here. Here are the jet streams of the Western world. Extreme meridional jet stream flow. Once again, look at these extreme bends in the jet stream over the western U.S. Jet stream blowing east to west over Washington and west to east over San Diego. So very chaotic jet stream continues here in the northern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere as well. Let's check surface winds while we're on this side of the planet. There are the surface winds of the western world. Some powerful low pressures down here in the southern hemisphere as well. Let's check out the surface winds of the eastern world. And there you have that. Some very strong winds in the Southern Ocean, south of Australia once again. Here are the jet streams of the east. And we see a more coherent backward jet stream over the Indian Ocean, blowing east to west, as you can see right in this area. And some backward jet stream over the western Pacific as well. Very chaotic jet stream flow in the northern hemisphere. Here's the North Geographic Pole. Very incoherent jet stream in the northern hemisphere. Next, looking at our NASA GOES lightning mapper, to see some very strong lightning here moving from Nebraska into Iowa as we make the video. Also some strong lightning in the Florida Panhandle and southern Mexico. Here's a real-time lightning map courtesy blitzaltung.org, lightningmaps.org. And since we've got terrestrial lightning over the U.S. right now, hey, Duluth, there's thunder rolling in. Thunder rolling in to Duluth, Minnesota. And leave us a comment if you're Swedish. Also, Omaha. Some serious lightning. A thunderstorm striking right in the middle of the city of Omaha. Anyway, there's your global lightning map. Next, looking at pressure cells here, we are on windy.com. Let's advance the pressure map into tomorrow. I would note once again the entire southern geographic pole region characterized by low pressure. Here's where the European forecast puts pressure cells tomorrow at 1 o'clock. That's 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And let me just check the life of the stream. It looks A-OK to me. And we'll move on to the U.S. Doppler radar map. Very strong storms here moving into Iowa, which will be moving down the Iowa-Missouri border here in an east-southeasterly direction. Quite a bit of rain here over the western portion of the U.S., and a lot of that is much needed. Probably not enough, as those look like pretty minor showers to end a lot of the drought conditions out there. Also some strong storms here. You can see just moving over into Lake Superior. About to move to the northern peninsula region. And here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And here's the water vapor map. And you can see the jet stream is dipping down to the south right around Lake Michigan. and it's causing a little bit of a readjustment here of the flow in that area. Also, you can see some dry mass of air up here trying to push its way down toward the Great Lakes, which will keep most of that moisture south of Canada. Anyway, once again, there's the U.S. Doppler radar map. Keep an eye on these storms right here. They have potential to produce things like damaging wind and hail. As you can see, a bunch of red there on the Doppler radar. Again, there's the cloud layer. And there is the water vapor map. Thanks for tuning in to today's meteorology segment, a regular feature here at Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from SNN.